Oh no, NIO's getting parabolic. Oh my god. 10x gains in the last few months. Oh my god, I gotta get in now. I cannot miss any of those gains anymore. Oh my god. If that is what you are thinking, stop, slow it down, and think it through a little bit more slowly. We all know there's such a thing called panic selling, but there is also such a thing called panic buying. Both are ideally not the kind of situations that you want to be in. I am putting out this effort to rush out today's video, in hopes that you can be better informed and as well as potentially, save you some money and some heartbreak. And all I ask for in return is actually just to click that delicious looking like button. It will really help this new channel a lot, and I thank you in advance. Cue intro. Welcome back, my valued friends, to the Stock Estate. I'm a next financial advisor, and in this channel, I teach people how to manage their risk, always be an investor with a plan, and also not be too emotional, and always look at things from a very logical standpoint of view. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about everyone's favorite stock, NIO. Okay, NIO for the past few weeks, right, has been going parabolic, as I said. Oh my god, look at this kind of jump. All the way from the right after the analysts upgrade their price target from some price point up to $35. From $20 it starts popping up all the way to here, $29, all the way to the analyst expectations. And just when people think that, oh no, probably when it hits analyst expectations like $30, it should be kind of the cap, right? Then it goes down, then some people start selling, right? Then boom, all the way, oh my god, up to $50. Whew. Okay, I think part of the reason, this is my opinion, part of the reason why this has gone parabolic is because people think that it will go like Tesla. And sometimes, this kind of thinking is kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy where the more people think that way, the more people pump in the money, and the more this kind of dream, right, actually comes true. So there's just a lot of hype in this entire area, right? So, so this video is actually for those people who actually want to get some gains off this hype. They feel that this can be good for some short-term profits, a good swing trade. Okay, and for people who are actually long with this company, right? Okay, so people who actually believe in the fundamentals of the company, you have done your own due diligence, okay, and you have really, really firmly believe, that NIO can scale their production very, very well in the future. Okay, so then this video is not so super relevant for you, because I'll encourage you to just start a position, and you can, if anything happens, you can just average down for the long term. Okay, so this is more for the people who want to swing trade this, or people who are actually looking to get some quick profits, who are not really willing to hold this for no more than 2, 3, 4 years. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so at this point of time, right, I actually wanted to make this video on Thursday, okay, where it was actually all green bar all the way here. It closed down at 44, right? And Friday, it's actually popped down, back up all the way here, 54, and it closed back down into the red. So at this point of time, right, it was really all bullish sentiment. See, all green candles, all the way here, right? So much bullishness in this, and I bet a lot of people are around this price point. They're like, oh my god, should I just buy in? Like, I cannot afford to miss this, every day is popping by 10%. Oh my god, it's insane, okay? So, but I want you to just slow down, okay, and think it through, okay, from a very technical standpoint of view, which I'm going to be conducting this video. Okay, firstly, okay, we're going to talk about why we shouldn't chase these kind of highs, okay, especially these kind of parabolic hypes and parabolic highs, okay? So, if you smash all the way up, okay, firstly, it's because of risk to reward ratio. Okay, you see, right? When a market has gone parabolic, right? A stock has gone parabolic like this, boom, okay, right? So I see here I already drawn two main levels, okay, which is here. Firstly, it's at the $44. The second level is at the $38. Two key levels. And the third one, okay, I can actually see that it's around, okay, it's around here. Around the $29 line, okay, the $30 line, the next one, it's quite far down. Okay, although you look at this, right, okay, it's not that far. You're like, oh my god, oh my god, stop, bro, this is so deep. It's not so small, okay, it's not that big, right? Okay, but you actually take a look closely, right, when you scroll down, right, this is a huge drop. Okay, look at this, it's a huge drop. Okay, so for you to maintain a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, right? Okay, so example, you want to buy in at 44, right? To maintain the risk reward ratio, okay, so for $40, okay, $38 to pop to $44, that's a difference of how much? How much? That's a difference of $6, right? $6. So you see, that's a difference of $6. Okay. Okay, sorry, pardon my drawing. Okay, this difference of $6. Okay, so for you to gain the 1-to-1, at least a minimum 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, right? Okay, your stock has to minimally pop up to $50. Okay, which it kind of did. Okay, it kind of did for a while. Okay, but you get my point. Okay, so it has to minimally hit that high to justify this risk to reward ratio. Okay, and more often than not, when there's a parabolic move like that, okay, the reversal can just be as fast. Okay, and when it reverses, right, I bet you it's going to be very, very swift. Okay, it's going to be super, super swift. Okay, it will be around, okay, let me just get rid of this. Okay, it will be from here, right? Okay, example, it pops up here, then you will just, when it reverses, bam, it goes down to the next level here, 38. And at this point of time, probably you'll be like, okay, let me just hold at this level, right? Let me just hold at this level. Then it breaks through the support. Bwah. And the next support that it has, right, bam, is $30. Then at that point in time, if you are super unlucky, you bought in at the highs around the 50 levels, and you bam all the way to 30, right? And that will be like reaching a 50% loss, okay, 40% loss, and that will be a lot of heartbreak, okay, and that will be very hard for you to swallow. Because there's not a lot of support for these areas to fall back on. Okay, so what you want to be looking is that if you want to trade a breakout, right, like a breakout that comes out. Okay, you want to see a trade in a very, very long range of consolidation. Okay, something like that, something like this. Okay, this is not super long. Okay, it can be longer. Okay, but at least this is a little bit better than this. Okay, you can see that at these areas, right. Okay, you can scroll in. Okay, it trades in this like consolidation for very, very, very long. Okay, which means that the market is ready to break out. Boom, up. Boom, up. Okay, and this is also supported by the 100 MA, okay, which all the entire lines is above the 100 moving average, which means that this is pretty bullish as well. So it's an uptrend. Okay, so you want to look for areas of consolidation like this. So we do not want to chase this when it gets up to so high, one parabolic move, boom, up there. Okay, what I would personally do if I really, really, really like this and I really want to trade this, right? Okay, I will wait for a pullback, a nice pullback. Okay, a nice pullback, and wait for it to, find a bottom, okay, find a nice range to trade from, something like that. You start to trade like a range. Then, from then on, right, then I'll reevaluate again whether I want to invest in this for a short swing trade, for a nice pop. Because the good point about this now is there's a lot of hype. A lot of people know about this, so there's a lot of volume. But the bad thing about it is so many of the hype has already been priced in. Okay, and I bet you there's a lot of people who are waiting to take profits. And when do you think they're going to take profits? When? Okay, earnings is next Tuesday. So I bet you Monday, somewhere around Monday, people will probably try to take profits already. And when one takes profit, two takes profits, enough people take profits, right? It drops around 5%, right? Then people start panic selling because they're like, oh my god, I get my gains. Okay, something like this. Okay, people start panic selling. Okay, but this time the panic selling will be much more because people are up so much already, right? Some people bought in at around the $18, $15. They're up how much? 300%. Who won't take profits? Who will not take profits? Okay, so example, so if you are already, if I was already in, right, like I was already all in now, like I would suggest, I will actually take some profits, on Monday. Start taking some profits, half profits. Okay, and if you really believe that, you want to leave some guesswork, right, in case the earnings really do crush the earnings, right, then there's even further upside to this. Then, you can take half and you actually lower your risk in this. Okay, if not, if anything goes bad during the earnings call, right, bam, you'll surely crash through all these support levels. Okay, if your hand is really, really itchy, okay, you really want to take some risk, right? Take some, try it out a little bit just in case, because you're so bullish on this. Okay, then I will not risk more than 1% on my portfolio on this. Okay, not more. Okay, it's just 1%. That's about it. Maximum. So then, if anything goes wrong, you can set a stop loss somewhere here. And cut the stop loss. Okay, so actually this leads to my next point as well. Okay, so if you're trying to trade this, right, your stop loss is very hard to put the stop loss at anywhere. Because example, you see, if you buy in this highs, right, the next stop loss you're gonna put is where? Is what? $38. so huge. It's so huge. It allows for so much room for someone to eat your stop loss. Okay, they just take away all your profits and more. Okay, and here is even a bigger gap for stop loss. So you get my point. Okay, so okay, that's it for today. I don't want to drag this video for too long. Okay, this is supposed to be a very short video. The upload wasn't supposed to be today as well. I just want to get it up to you guys before Monday, so that you guys can be a little bit better informed about this, and can make wiser trading decisions. Okay, that's it for today's video. Okay, if you like the video, okay, please tickle and touch that little like button. Okay, it really help this channel out a lot, as I said before, and be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss future videos like this, and future content that I'll be putting out that might benefit you in the future. Alright, thank you very much. Stock has stayed up.